Many people are surprised to learn that the average SUV can cost close to $10,000 a year once you include maintenance, insurance, and depreciation. It sounds excessive, but it's often true. Yet not every SUV is a money pit. Some models are remarkably durable, going 300,000 miles or more with little more than oil changes, filters, and basic care. These are the vehicles that reward owners with peace of mind, low running costs, and real long-term value. Below are 9 SUVs that protect your wallet, plus 2 you should think twice about before buying. At number 9 is the Subaru Outback, the car that turned wagons into crossovers. In the 1990s, Subaru added rugged styling, raised suspension, and all-wheel drive, creating an all-terrain family vehicle that could handle snow, dirt roads, and long commutes with ease. What really sets the Outback apart is its staying power. Many easily exceed 200,000 miles with only routine maintenance, and well-kept ones often reach 300,000. Even mechanics admit these cars rarely show up in the shop for major issues. The Outback also shines in safety, earning top marks from crash testing agencies, which keeps insurance costs reasonable. It's not the fastest SUV, but the optional 2.4-liter turbo engine offers solid power without hurting reliability. All-wheel drive comes standard, ensuring fewer mechanical surprises. Among used models, the 2020 Outback hits the sweet spot with modern tech, excellent safety, and proven dependability at a sensible price. In 8th place is the Toyota RAV4, America's best-selling SUV, and for good reason. It's easy to drive, sturdy, and practically unbreakable. Owners frequently report 300,000 miles or more with no major repairs, and older RAV4s still on the road often have their original engines and transmissions. Toyota's reputation for reliability also means the RAV4 holds its value exceptionally well. Used versions regularly sell for nearly as much as brand new rivals from other automakers, which protects you from steep depreciation. The RAV4's 2.5-liter engine isn't thrilling, but it delivers excellent efficiency and unmatched longevity. In financial terms, the RAV4 is less a car and more an asset. It preserves your money rather than draining it. Years after purchase, it remains worth a surprising amount, proving that buying reliable doesn't have to mean boring. 7th on the list is the Acura RDX, one of the most underrated luxury SUVs available. While many shoppers flock to European brands, the RDX quietly delivers nearly the same premium experience at a fraction of the long-term cost. Between 2013 and 2018, Acura equipped it with the same proven 3.5-liter 5.6 found in the Honda Pilot, an engine known for its bulletproof reliability. Paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic, the RDX offers a luxury feel with the mechanical simplicity of a Honda. Inside, you'll find quality materials, good sound insulation, and upscale comfort. Because it lacks the inflated prestige pricing of German competitors, it depreciates more slowly, and used models are often cheaper than comparable Toyotas or Hondas, despite offering more features. Many RDX owners reach 150,000 miles or more with nothing beyond standard maintenance, and insurance rates are often surprisingly low for a luxury badge. It's a smart buy for anyone who values refinement without financial risk. At number 6 is the Hyundai Santa Fe, a model that transformed Hyundai's reputation. Once seen as a budget brand, Hyundai has become known for reliability and strong value, and the Santa Fe played a huge role in that shift. One reason is its unmatched warranty, 10 years or 100,000 miles of powertrain coverage. For buyers who value peace of mind, that's like having an extended warranty built in. The Santa Fe isn't just backed well, it's genuinely durable. Many owners report more than 200,000 miles with few repairs beyond oil changes and brake jobs. Insurance tends to be affordable, and fuel economy is solid for its size. The Santa Fe proves that dependability and affordability can go hand in hand. 5th place goes to the Lexus LX, the luxury SUV that's really a Toyota Land Cruiser in disguise. Under its elegant exterior lies one of the most durable mechanical platforms ever built. The LX has been known to reach 400,000 or even 500,000 miles, and some overseas examples have crossed the million-mile mark. Its secret is simplicity and over-engineering, built to handle rough terrain and extreme climates with ease. Fuel economy is poor, around 15 to 17 miles per gallon, but the trade-off is reliability that few vehicles can match. While competitors like the Mercedes G-Class or Range Rover may deliver status, they come with enormous repair bills. The 60, by contrast, just keeps running year after year with minimal fuss. Because of that, depreciation is minimal and used prices remain high. For buyers seeking a vehicle that might truly last a lifetime, the Lexus LX is one of the best bets available. 4th on the list is the Mazda CX-5, the compact SUV that proves you don't have to sacrifice driving enjoyment for reliability. Unlike many competitors that feel dull, the CX-5 is genuinely fun to drive. Its sharp handling and sleek design make it stand out, while its mechanical simplicity simplicity keeps it dependable. Mazda avoids the use of a CVT transmission, opting instead for a traditional 6-speed automatic that's both smooth and long-lasting. That decision alone spares owners from costly future repairs. Reliability ratings from multiple sources are high, and real-world owners echo the praise. The CX-5 may not offer the interior space of a RAV4 or CRV, but it feels more premium and remains one of the least expensive to maintain in its class. Strong resale value completes the picture, making the CX-5 a practical yet enjoyable choice for long-term ownership. In third place sits another Subaru, the Forester. It's long been one of the most reliable compact SUVs on the market. Consumer surveys regularly give it near-perfect reliability scores, and owners report extraordinary longevity. Early concerns about Subaru's CVT transmissions have largely been addressed, and when the fluid is changed at recommended intervals, the system performs smoothly for hundreds of thousands of miles. The Forester's standard all-wheel drive makes it a capable year-round vehicle, and its crash test results are consistently excellent. Most owners exceed 200,000 miles with only routine upkeep, and resale value remains strong thanks to Subaru's loyal customer base. The Forester combines practicality, safety, and long-term value better than nearly any rival. Runner-up honors go to the Honda CR-V, one of the most trusted names in automotive history. For years, it has battled the RAV4 for the title of best all-around small SUV, and for good reason. The CR-V offers generous interior space, excellent fuel economy, up to 30 miles per gallon combined, and unbeatable reliability. Some early 2000s models are still going strong after nearly 500,000 miles. That kind of endurance is rare in any vehicle. Insurance companies reward its stellar safety record with low premiums, and resale values remain high even for older models. The CR-V delivers everything most drivers need: comfort, safety, efficiency, and longevity. For many, it's the definition of smart car ownership. Finally, topping the list is the Honda HR-V, the smaller sibling to the CR-V. Compact, efficient, and nearly indestructible, the HR-V has earned a reputation for exceptional reliability at a modest price. Owners frequently report reaching 150,000 to 200,000 miles with minimal maintenance, and fuel economy is outstanding, up to 34 miles per gallon on the highway. Despite its size, it feels solidly built and secure, and its strong safety ratings keep insurance costs low. The HR-V doesn't try to impress with power or flash. Instead, it delivers consistent performance, low running costs, and superb resale value. For anyone seeking a long-lasting, budget-friendly SUV, it's hard to find a better choice. Of course, not every SUV deserves praise. Some popular models can quietly drain your wallet. One of the most disappointing is the Jeep Wrangler. Though iconic and beloved for its off-road heritage, its reliability has been far less inspiring. Owners frequently report electrical issues, oil leaks, suspension failures, and the notorious death wobble, where the front end shakes violently after hitting a bump. Combined with below-average crash test results and high insurance costs, the Wrangler often becomes an expensive hobby rather than a dependable vehicle. Unless you're buying one solely for off-road adventures and have a mechanic's patience, it's a model best admired from afar. Another SUV that can be costly to own is the Ford Explorer, especially models from the 2010s. While stylish and comfortable, the Explorer has been plagued by serious mechanical problems, most notably transmission failures well before 100,000 miles. Repairs are expensive, often topping $3,000, and even replacement transmissions haven't always fixed the problem. Add in common issues like water pump leaks and electrical faults, and ownership quickly becomes frustrating. The Explorer's insurance costs are also higher than average due to mixed safety scores and frequent claims. It may have history and name recognition, but when it comes to reliability, it falls short of expectations. The lesson is simple. The smartest SUV to own isn't necessarily the cheapest to buy or the flashiest to look at. It's the one that saves you money every year by staying out of the repair shop, holding its value, and keeping insurance and fuel costs reasonable. Over time, a reliable SUV can save you tens of thousands of dollars compared with an unreliable one. Lower maintenance bills, cheaper insurance, and stronger resale value all compound to make a real financial difference. Beyond the dollars, there's something deeper: peace of mind. Driving a dependable vehicle means freedom from worry, freedom to take long trips without fearing a breakdown, to commute through winter storms confidently, and to keep driving comfortably well into retirement. A trustworthy SUV doesn't just protect your finances, it enhances your lifestyle. The right one becomes a partner that quietly serves for decades, mile after mile, year after year. When you choose reliability, you're not just buying transportation, you're investing in stability, security, and freedom on the open road.